Good afternoon, family, and welcome. We are here today at Magic Kingdom's Park. What's up, family? I hope you guys are doing well. We are back at Disney's Magic Kingdom Park. It's been a minute since I've been here, a really hot minute. I'm excited though because I want to see all the Halloween decorations, have a good time with me and my family, and I have some very interesting news for you guys regarding Lightning Lane. They have made a huge update regarding it, and we're gonna go over that. Also, I am here to try some very delicious food that they have here. Some which is new, some is featured, but it's been here for a little bit. But we're gonna do all that and just have a great time. So let's go ahead, go in there, have a great time, and dive in. Look at the decorations. They are beautiful. Wow. I mean, look at it. Great photo ops. Like he bashed a drum in. Jeez. I mean, I got a heavy hand there. These are very nice photo ops for you guys that are coming here, and they will take your photo for you. But I'm not gonna lie, these are nice. Nicely decorated. Good job, Disney. And this is the photo op. And they'll probably decorate the background, Photoshop it, do what they need to do, but pretty nice. The iconic view of the castle gets me every time. It is beautiful. And fun fact, that photo op I just showed you guys, it's actually right in front of the castle. It's actually beautiful. It's a beautiful shot. Man, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I came here and people have been saying that it's been crowded, but crowded is not the word. It is actually ridiculous over here. There was a lot of people. I don't know how much we're gonna be able to get done as far as rides, but we are here for some food and also talk about the Lightning Lane, which I'll get into that in a little bit, but it is very crowded here. Look at the Jungle Cruise line. It is wrapped way back here. Wow. This is wild. It is extremely packed out here. And then they have Pirates of the Caribbean way outside. I have never seen the line this far backed up. I mean, this is sick. Wow. It is way over there. Wow. It is packed. That was insane. It is insanely packed at Magic Kingdom. Now, that could be because they are open till 11 p.m. because they're not having the Mickey Not So Scary Halloween party. So a lot of people are probably just trying to take their chance because that party has been going on at least 5 days a week. So there's only like 2 days out the week that you come here late at night. So that could be the reason why it is so packed. But yeah, it's disgusting here, I'm gonna be honest. But good thing is we are not here for all the rides. We are here to talk about some Lightning Lane, some new food, and I'm excited about that. All right, guys, first off, we are here at the Golden Oak Outpost. We came here to go ahead and get the famous beignets. We also got the honey hot chicken and also shrimp gumbo. Each one came with a side of potato fries. Can't wait to try it. Looks delicious. Let's dive into it. All right, guys, so let's try out the shrimp gumbo first. I mean, it looks, ooh, the fry just fell on it. Looks delicious, man. Let's see how they did though. So you can taste the spice. Very delicious. The sausage is very delicious, seasoned well. It's warm, it's not cold, but they definitely did their thing with that. It's a little spicy, but that's what gumbo's supposed to be. It's supposed to be a little spicy, but it's not overly spicy. I'll give that probably about like an 8.5 out of 10. Next, we have the honey hot chicken, and they have some stuff on it. It looks delicious. It looks like some vegetables, some carrots, maybe some onions, but I'm excited about this. Let's see. Delicious. Very delicious. So, when you first take a bite, you taste nothing but honey, right? But then as you chew it, you finally taste the chicken. You also taste the seasoning that they put on the chicken. It is full of flavor. It is really, really good. That actually might be my favorite dish. Both are good. Both are over an 8. I would give that probably like a 9.1 out of 10. That chicken is fire and it's very seasoned. Now, I will say the sweet potato fries, if you dip it in that gravy, it is pretty good together, but no rice, unfortunately.
Wow.
Now for the famous beignets. Let's see. Yeah. My lady just ate this and she said it was dry. I 100% agree with her. This beignet is not where it's at.
It's so flat.
It's barely any honey on it.
Well, I like it.
My daughter likes it, but it's not for me. The one at Universal, honestly, is better at DreamWorks Land. Sorry to compare, but
They also said the better one is at
Daddy, if you don't like it, then
Port
I will
Orleans.
eat it.
Port Orleans, yes. The better one is at Port Orleans, what I've heard. That's what all the co-workers, that's all the customers have been telling me. So, if you want good beignets, go to Port Orleans. Wow, was that delicious. That was actually really good. I haven't tried it, the Tiana's Bayou booth, Golden Oak Outpost. That was my first time. But enough of that. Let's talk about what everybody's here for, the new Lightning Lane update. So regarding the Lightning Lane, here's the deal. You only can get it at a Disney Deluxe Resort at select resorts. Also, it's called Premier Lightning Lane. So pretty much you could buy the pass. It's from $129 to $429 depending on what day and how much they want to sell it for that day. You can only buy it once for one park and you can only buy it once a day. So you can't buy multiple, you only can buy once for one person per day. Now, it is a limited supply, so not everybody can buy it at those resorts. So I thought that was pretty cool for them to do that because you can use that pass. You don't have to get an arrival time. You don't have to do anything like that. You just go up there, show your Premier Lightning Lane pass, and you're good to go. The way you have to get it also, you have to show proof that you have a reservation to one of those deluxe resorts. And once you show that proof, you can go ahead and purchase it. I think that's pretty cool that they're doing something like that. That is different. I think a lot of people are going to love that. They should probably roll out more of those. I think they should let everybody do it. But maybe they're just trying to test it out with the deluxe resort guests first and see how it does. I feel like they're going to transition to this though. They can make more money off of it, and also it's more convenient. You don't have to get arrival time. Just walk in. That's kind of how Universal is. You don't need to get an arrival time. Just walk in. So I hope they bring that to everybody and not just deluxe resort hotel guests. But it's gonna be pretty good. It's definitely gonna be pretty good. And they're gonna start rolling this out October the 30th. So that's when this will be starting. I may go at a deluxe resort hotel just to do this myself and try it out, because I feel like you can get a lot done with that type of pass, and it's definitely gonna be worth the money. All right, guys, so for our next destination, we are going to be stopping at Sleepy Hollows. They have these 2 Mickey waffles, one with chocolate hazelnut and some fruit, and the other is with sweet and spicy chicken, maple chicken. Both looks absolutely delicious. I cannot wait to sink my teeth into that. I'm more excited about the Mickeys with the chocolate hazelnut and fruit. It looks absolutely delicious. I cannot wait, but we'll see in a little bit. One thing I will tell you guys right now, please utilize the app, especially on days like this. I mean, it is absolutely crowded and this line is absolutely long. I mean, I ordered mine on the app and it's gonna be done in probably less than 5 minutes. So please utilize the app. All right, guys, we're about to finally taste this food. It looks, I mean, look at the plating. It is beautiful. That is beautiful plating. This is what I was most excited about. Can't wait. I just can't wait. Let's see what it tastes like. Gotta pour my syrup on it. Get the syrup in the back. Oh, it's dripping. Let's see. Ooh,
That looks good.
that looks fire. I'm not gonna lie.
You gotta show them how.
Look at that. syrup on it. Oh man. Let's see what it tastes like. Get some of the whipped cream.
I gotta try it. Before the girls dive into it and eat it. This is their type of food. Is it good? Is it too sweet?
This is perfect. It's not even that sweet, to be honest. The chocolate hazelnut.
Ooh, with the banana.
It's perfect.
Delicious.
It's a perfect mixture with the fruit they got plated on there. The syrup's not overly sweet. The chocolate hazelnut's not overly sweet. Really good dish. You guys should definitely get this. Sleepy Hollows. Come get it. Seriously. Next, we have the sweet and spicy chicken. My daughter ate the ear off already, as you see. But about to try it out right now. See what the chicken tastes like.
Mommy. I can't take it off.
Oh, that's fire. The chicken's good. It's seasoned. It is definitely seasoned. It's like a Cajun seasoning.
Is it the same as Tiana's?
It kind of is.
Is it? It looks like it. How does it taste with the waffle?
Oh my gosh.
Is it good?
Might be my favorite dish all day today.
Oh my god.
Oh, wow.
Wow. I feel like this waffle is different than the other waffle.
Yeah. This waffle, like you just said, is different.
It's not as sweet.
It's not as sweet, but it's perfect because the chicken is sweet and spicy. You got the syrup that goes with it. It's a good evened out dish right here. I enjoyed this one. This is probably my favorite food out of all the things that we tried so far today.
Really?
Yes, hands down. This is fire. This is fire.
It was good.
All right, guys. So we just got out of Philhar's Magic, and it was beautiful. I haven't been there in that attraction for maybe over at least a couple of years. I always skip over and do the rides and stuff for my kids, but we decided to go there because it is unusually packed tonight, and it was great. They changed it up. I didn't know they had cocoa in there. I honestly enjoyed it. I should probably start doing the little things going forward because I didn't realize they even changed Philhar Magic. That was fire. I enjoyed every bit of it. I enjoyed that. I will say this, with how crowded it has been at this park, the expansion is going to help Disney so much when it comes to having these high crowds because there's going to be more room, more area, more things for people to do, and they can spread out and, you know, just have a great time. So I'm glad that they're doing the expansion at each park because it is much needed, especially at Magic Kingdom because there's not much walking area here. So I can't wait for the expansions. All right, guys, next up, we're gonna go ahead and hit Tomorrowland Speedway. It's only a 15-minute wait. This is literally the lowest wait time, so we're gonna hit this. My daughter is finally old enough to get on it, so I'm excited about this. We're gonna record it. Here we go. Yeah! I see you. That was pretty fun, man. My daughter had a blast. As you see, do not let your 1-year-old drive. She will not steer it at all. We were going all over the place. But we're about to go ahead and get this exclusive Halloween dessert they have here. I'm gonna show you where it's at in a little bit and what we get. It looks delicious. Can't wait to show you guys, but it's good. Look at that, guys. On our way out, they have that lighting up. It's going on and off. Got them all around the park. As you see, all the orange ones all around. It is extremely crowded today. It is ridiculous. Wow. All right, guys, we are here to pick up our dessert at Main Street Confectionery because they do have this Halloween limited time dessert. It's called Halloween Mix. And we're also here to get this chocolate cake pop with some chopped Snickers on it. Both are delicious. They have two different type of Halloween mix. It's like a popcorn mix with a bunch of candy and stuff like that. And there's like some stuff drizzled over it. I'm gonna show you in a minute. It's a bunch of stuff inside that little Halloween mix, but it is awesome. I heard it's a hit. Everybody loves it. So let's check it out. Look at all the little Halloween desserts they have. That is awesome. $6 for those. Got one right here too. Another Halloween dessert. Nice. Classic Mickey cereal treat. Look at that one. The Mickey Spiderweb cookie. $6.49. All right, guys. So we ended up getting our dessert. Thank you to the cast members. They gave us a magic moment again. We ordered one, but they gave us two because we waited not too long, but we waited a decent amount of time to get this. The line was long, but we ordered it online. But this is the Halloween mix that they have for Halloween. Looks awesome. Let's see. This is what it tastes like with all of it together, though. You want a bite too? It mixes.
It does?
This mixed together. Want some? Here.
Sky, you want to try one too?
Mmm.
Is it good?
That is good.
What do you think, Sky?
Great.
Good?
I like candy better.
Rhea, what do you think? Is it good?
I like the candy better.
This is really good. It mixes very well from the caramel to the chocolate to the kettle corn to the M&Ms. They have some pretzels. It all mixes very well. It's like a chocolatey, salty caramel taste, and I enjoyed it. Well, guys, that will be it for today's video. We had a blast. I have missed Magic Kingdom so much. It was awesome. It was awesome. I'm excited about the Lightning Lane. I cannot wait for that. I'm gonna go stay at one of the deluxe resorts because I gotta try it out. I have to try out the Premier Lightning Lane. I know it's going to be awesome. But all the food was great. The dessert was great. Everything, it was just a perfect day. This is the Disney I missed. I stopped going for a while because I just felt like it was getting repetitive and it was just, I wasn't feeling the vibe. But today, it was nice to take that break and come back to all of this. We had a great time. Thank you, Disney, for the love, for all the delicious food and just everything. If you guys did enjoy this video, go ahead, smash that like button, share, turn the notifications on, and most importantly, subscribe. And you have a blessed rest of your night. See ya.